what do you do about chords? Let's bring in that loop again. E minor 86 BPM. Now you want to write a series of chords because that's how you fill up the sonic part of your thing. But if you know what chords can fit, great. If you're not sure, I always have this favorite thing that I go to. This is called AutoChords.com. And we're looking for E minor, right? E minor. Then what kind of chord progression do we want? 3P2. Okay. So now we've got 3P2, right? So we can do... Okay, E minor, C, F sharp, diminished, B minor. Ooh. Man, how am I going to key in this? Let's go to what I showed the other week. I've chosen this sound Dirty Back Roads, which is also from the Chop and Swing pack, because it's the Chop and Swing pack, all the sounds are compatible with each other. And I've created the empty clip, and now at the last tab, the 5th tab, I'm using the MIDI generator called Stacks. And just now, remember, we were looking at the E minor, right? Now, I'm going to just put here the root. Okay, instantly I have an E minor chord because I'm in the E minor key. Then I'm going to plus. Second one was a C. Instantly I have a C minor. No, C major. Actually, I don't even need to worry about it because I know it's compatible with E minor because my scale awareness button is on. Next was a what? F sharp. F sharp. And now I got a regular F sharp. But if I click on these buttons, look at the bottom left corner, I actually have F sharp minor 5 or press on F sharp minor diminished. So I can actually generate these chords without having to memorize the numbers of how many, which is in what. Okay, last one was a B, okay. Okay, now right now it's going to be really fast because they are all in one bar. Okay, which is like, I want it to be slower. I want it to be like stretched out. So I go to this, which tab is it? Third tab, the middle tab, and I do ×2. So I double the length. I do ×2 again, I double the length again. Now I've already exceeded the clip, so I'm going to stretch out the length of the whole clip so that I can see the whole thing. You notice that each chord is now taking up one entire bar, right? Then back to the generator. You know, let's look at what it looks like. It doesn't look so pretty, it doesn't sound so pretty because the third chord is a real jump up. What can I do with the third chord? Inversion, correct. Like inversion, right? Woo, that's a like woo, squish together. Let's hear what it sounds like. Different inversions. So the third chord sounds a bit off. Let's not use that inversion. Let's use. Oh, this, wow. Oh, wow, all kinds of things. Okay, let's try. Look at the melody from just now. Okay, let's put in another melody. I'm going to make this great. I'm going to make it a longer one or so. Just randomly draw, huh? Randomly draw. Let's see. almost. It almost sounds like something. The main thing is it is in key. The chords are actually in the right place. Okay, so try the chords for about 10 minutes. Then I'll come back and show you another thing called expressive chords.